Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can change your Instagram picture. In order to change your Instagram profile picture, it's quite simple. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. Now to begin with, first thing first, you know the drill, check your internet connection and also go ahead and check your update. So for that you need to go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram, and after you find Instagram, if you see update just like mine, then tap the update button. Wait for the application to be updated. Once the application is completely updated, go ahead and tap the open button and log in into your account. In order to change your profile picture, click the profile button from the bottom right hand side corner, and here go ahead and tap the edit profile button. As soon as you do that, if you click edit picture or avatar under your DP or profile picture, on the lower half you'll be able to see a drop down menu. You can either add a new profile picture or you can make it as similar as what's on your Facebook, or you can just leave it blank and not add any profile picture, or you can also add an avatar. So select either one of it, and in my case I'm gonna go with the image that's on my gallery. And once you've selected the image, tap the next button. On the other page, if you're sure about it, tap the next once again. In order to save the changes, tap the tick icon located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully changed your Instagram picture. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.